it's a beautiful day, such a wonderful day. When I stop and think of the wretched man I used to be, there was nothing but pain and sorrow I could see. But then Jesus passed by, called me by name, and I followed him that day. Now everything's coming up brighter now for me. It's a beautiful day, I feel alive again. In his wonderful way, he touched my heart, and then his light came into my soul. Darkness fled and he made me whole. It's a beautiful day, such a